1. An elephant never forgets. And that's true. The saying, "an elephant never forgets," is not just a myth. It's backed by science. Elephants have extraordinary memory skills. Older female elephants, known as matriarchs, often lead the herd and remember the locations of water sources and migratory paths, even after many years. This ability can be critical during times of drought, allowing the herd to survive by finding water they discovered long ago. Elephants can also remember people. They are known to recognize humans they've had positive or negative experiences with, even after many years. This makes handling elephants, especially those who have been mistreated, a delicate task. 2. Emotional intelligence. Elephants feel deeply. Elephants are among the most emotionally complex animals on the planet. They are known to mourn the deaths of their companions. When an elephant dies, others may gather around the body, touch the bones with their trunks, and sometimes stay by the body for days in silent mourning. These animals experience joy, grief, fear, and affection. When reunited after long separations, elephants often greet each other with enthusiasm, intertwining their trunks and making joyful sounds, a clear display of emotional bonding. 3. Their trunks contain over 40,000 muscles. An elephant's trunk is one of the most incredible organs in the animal kingdom. It contains more than 40,000 individual muscles, giving it both immense strength and delicate control. Elephants use their trunks to drink water, pick up food, break tree branches, comfort their young, and even pluck tiny objects from the ground. The trunk is also a powerful tool for communication. Elephants use it to touch and comfort each other, to issue warnings, and to explore their surroundings. With their excellent sense of smell, they can detect water sources several kilometers away. 4. Their social lives resemble ours. Elephants live in matriarchal societies, where the oldest and most experienced female leads the herd. Males usually leave the herd when they reach adolescence and either live alone or form smaller bachelor groups. Within a herd, the bonds are deep and complex. Elephants help each other, play together, bathe communally, and support one another in difficult times. Calves are not only raised by their mothers, but also protected and cared for by the whole group. This strong social structure increases the chances of survival. 5. They don't speak, but they communicate. Elephants are silent giants, but that doesn't mean they're quiet. They produce low-frequency sounds called infrasound, which can travel several kilometers and are used to communicate over long distances. These sounds convey messages related to mating, danger, or reuniting with distant herd members. In addition to vocalizations, elephants use body language, trunk gestures, and even vibrations sensed through their feet to communicate. For example, by stomping the ground, an elephant can warn others of approaching danger. 6. They eat up to 150 kilograms of food. Daily, to sustain their enormous bodies, elephants spend about 16 to 18 hours a day feeding. An adult elephant can consume up to 150 kilograms, about 330 pounds, of vegetation daily, including grass, leaves, bark, and fruit. Their daily water intake can exceed 100 liters, over 26 gallons. Their feeding habits have a significant impact on their ecosystem. By knocking down trees and dispersing seeds through their dung, elephants help maintain forest diversity. Because of this, they are often called ecosystem engineers. They are at risk of extinction. Despite their power and majesty, elephants face serious threats today. The greatest dangers are poaching and habitat loss. African elephants are particularly targeted for their ivory tusks, leading to a dramatic population decline. Thousands are killed each year to meet the demand for ivory in illegal markets. Asian elephants suffer mostly from habitat destruction due to agriculture, roads, and urban expansion. As forests shrink, elephants increasingly come into contact and conflict with human populations. Stronger laws and global cooperation